Hello YouTube friends, I'm back on the camper again. I had a slight leak in my camper and I put a tarp over it until I got some stuff to seal it. So I put some stuff around the seams and stuff. Next week I guess I'm gonna paint the whole thing with the same stuff that I bought. Make it look one color. And looks pretty good. I've got every screw, every corner, even where it's metal and whatever this stuff's called. They say it's like it's a rubber roof or something. That's what this is. It's a paint, but it turns into a rubber. And it seals against all the elements. And next week I'm going to buy me another quart can and I'm going to paint the whole thing. And I should be prepared not to have any more leaks. And next thing I'm probably end up doing is storing it for the winter. Winterizing it. It shouldn't go through much. I'm gonna have to pop it up, store it and everything, but I got the leak stopped. Now I think my problem was right in this area, right in here, where the things did back or cut for that air conditioner and stuff. I think that's where it was leaking at. But just in case. I had a whole quart can of it. I covered all the seams. Next week, I paint the whole damn thing with the stuff. And I should be ready to do some camping in it again. If you like these videos, click subscribe on the video. I'm going to have it up and everything. And thank you for watching.